This is a remake of Stampy's Hospital. Okay, first up for the news is the FeelFab MedLab. Okay, let's go right in. Okay, this is the quarter which I'm using as a crafting table and rooming stands and a chest for torches like this. And my coat hanger. Now, the second room. Can't be missed therapist. Yeah, sorry about the bats. Those bats are like really annoying. So yeah. Torches. The bed. Patient will be in a chair where the therapist is going to be sitting at. And now that is next up is the Not All Bad Zombie Lab. Okay, let's step right in. Okay, so we have the button. It will activate the dispenser to dispense out, well, the weakness potions, and this lever will trap the zombie villager that I am going to cure soon, but not in this video. Now the final room, feeling nice, feeling nice. Again, sorry about that. Are the world's most creatures ever made in Minecraft. Okay, this is the room. It's freezing. Yeah, I'm gonna fix that in a little bit. Yeah, just outside the hospital, I just started making the competition thing for the Doctor of the Month. Okay. I'm gonna take care of it. So hard to work both camera Okay, so where's the melt? Oh yeah, it's right above the doorway. Oops. Okay. No more melting spots. So let's go. So hard to get out of this thing. Well, out of the room. And, well, this of the hallway. So yeah, this was the game that I'm talking about. I just finished the first part, except I didn't get to do